Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your Abertay University. So let's get started. And if you want to log into your Abertay University, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can choose any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you have to search for Abertay University login. And after searching for that, it will take you to this page where you have to tap on the first option, My Day Login. And after coming up to this page, now you have to sign in. So to sign in, what you can do is just enter your username with @uad.ac.uk. So you will have a username which is provided by Abertay University. Just enter that username, and after entering that username, just tap on next. And after tapping on next, what you can do is just enter your password, and after entering your password, just tap on next, and you will successfully log into your Abertay University. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Abertay University. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.